Okay, so should we have a little recap? Arrange a site insurance and exchange your contracts. If you arrange it halfway through, you're still going to be charged for reinstating the entire build. You're not going to save any money by doing that, but you are risking an awful lot by not having some site insurance in place. Hire plant tools and equipment are usually your responsibility. Okay, so you need to understand how much that item of plant is in terms of its value and make sure it's covered under your site insurance properly. Check you've got continuing hire charges. As I said, if it was stolen, you're going to be paying hire charges until it's been replaced. Contractors normally have public liability cover. Lots of people turn around to me at trade shows and say, well, they've got public liability cover, so surely I'm covered. No, you're not. If they're not on site and something goes wrong, let's say you have a fire, stuff is stolen from your site overnight, your contractor's public liability is not going to help you at all. It is a waste of time. The only time you can rely on contractors' insurance is if they have contractors' all risks cover. There needs to be a contract in place. It needs to be clear that they are insuring it. You need to see the insurance policy that they are presenting you, and they have to do the whole thing from start to finish. If they're doing the show and then handing it on to you, you still need some site insurance in place, structure warranty, and so on. Contracts, use them. They're really, really important. They're the glue that sticks it together, and they will really rescue you if something goes wrong. My home insurer said they will cover my extension. They might do, but not during the course of construction effectively. They don't cover the plant tools, equipment. They don't cover the materials that are sitting outside waiting to go in. They don't cover your house if you put through a new opening and it collapses. So bear that in mind. Insure for professional reinstatement cost. Don't rely on your build cost alone, because it won't be enough to rebuild it in a hurry if something goes wrong, seriously goes wrong. And then finally, arrange a warranty before you start works, because it'll save you an absolute fortune, and it's the right thing to do. If you wait till the foundations are in, it's going to cost you 25% more at least.